What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on BADGERDAO, which has pumped up over 75% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at $5.05. So we're going to be looking at why has this crypto pumped up so much. Is it time to buy it right now? Is it too late? Have we missed the boat? Or on the other hand, if you've already invested into the crypto, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as look at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and also going into 2024. Is this a must-have crypto in your cryptocurrency portfolio? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which gives us the average value of BADGER, which is here in purple, at $2.80. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at $5.07, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected from BADGER over the next 12 to 14 hours. So essentially in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting this crypto to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, potentially trading about $5.50 to $5.80, somewhere in between that price range is where I'm expecting BADGER to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. However, that does not mean that it's not gonna go above that target anytime soon. I am expecting it to pump up to around $6 over the coming hours before it starts to drop back down to around $5.50 to $5.80 in the early hours of tomorrow. So guys, do expect both green and red candles up and down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So an overall increase it is for BADGER over the next 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive, guys. Again, because it's looking quite steep, that means it's not realistic, and the only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that has taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that is going to keep pumping in that direction at that pace and so on over the next couple of days. However, that is not the case. So over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting BADGER to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment, potentially just below $4 is where I'm expecting BADGER to be trading at by mid to end of next week, so over the next 7 to 8 days. However, that does not mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit green days in between and red days up and down, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side, meaning the red days are gonna overtake the green days. So dropping down to below $4 is what I'm expecting from BADGER by mid next week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are looking quite steep, guys, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive and very steep as well. So once again, this is not realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late December 2023, so essentially towards the end of the year, I am also expecting BADGER to go for an overall drop in value down to around $3.50 to $3.80, somewhere in between that price range is where I'm expecting BADGER to be trading at towards the end of the year. Again, I know this is not something that most of you guys have expected. You guys thought it's going to go up to $10, $15, $20, whatever it is. However, the pump is temporary, guys. It is going to drop back down in value over the coming days. It's just one of them days where obviously Bitcoin has pumped up to $37,000 earlier today. Has taken a slight dip, but overall it is up. And Badger has, not just Badger, but most cryptos have followed a similar pathway to Bitcoin. But yeah, it is going to drop back down in value over the coming days and weeks as well. So towards the end of the year, $3.50, $3.80, somewhere in between there is where I'm expecting Badger to be trading at. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, it is currently trading in the red zone, and for us to break out from the red zone, we need to hit the resistance target of $11, which we are not too far away from. But after the drops that are likely to take place over the coming weeks, we are going to be quite far away. So not this year, but potentially Q2 to Q3 of 2024 is when I'm expecting Badger to essentially break out from the red zone, depending on how the crypto market performs. And obviously, if we have a crash or a price pump or a bull run in the crypto market, these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Badger, but the whole crypto market in general. And anything like that, I will make sure to let you guys know as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 700%, making it $213 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. Of course, is one of the top gainers, or even the top gainer in the last 24 hours, according to Binance. So of course, it is getting a lot of attention right now from both buyers and sellers' point of view, as buyers are getting hyped up, they're buying into it as it's increasing in value, and sellers are seeing profits coming up. Even my crypto wallet has gone up quite a bit over the last 2 to 3 weeks as the crypto market has been moving towards the upside, and I'm sure most of you guys have as well. And some people may be looking into selling their Badger as well, taking out their profits. It's only right, but again, it's now the right time to sell Badger. So I'm going to give you guys an example, as I usually do. If I had $1,000 in Badger right now and I was on a profit, I would probably sell about 50% of that so that I can take out some profit and I still have some in Badger, which leaves me with another $500 in Badger, which I would probably take out probably in 2024 now, as I'm expecting it to drop for the rest of the year. But yeah, Q2, Q3 of 2024, that means I still have $500 worth in Badger. So in case it does pump up to about $10, $15, then yes, I may be able to take out my profit in that time. But just to secure it, I'll take $500 now just to take out some profit. But yeah, this is my take and my predictions on Badger, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below your take, your expectation. What is the highest figure this crypto can hit in 2023? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.